there. WeGotGuru welcomes you to our online Western vocal classes that will guide you in being a sound singer.
If you listen carefully now, you will hear. This could be the first trumpet. Might as well be the last.
From operatic to rock, blues and pop, etc., we have 14 seasoned vocal tutors who are certified to teach and mentor you.
Don't ask me why.
There is peace in Christ.
They prepare you under the Trinity College of London syllabus and under the ABRSM syllabus. This way, you improve your voice, range, posture and breath control drastically and meticulously, apart from giving exams, grade-wise and getting certified yourself. Nurturing the voice and taking care of it is a moral code our vocal tutors abide by.
Wish I could escape. I don't wanna fade. Wish I could erase. Make you happy, but I'm a bad liar. Bad liar. Now you know.
If you'd like to do the same and become the singer you have dreamed of being,
keep pushing it.
The tide is out, but I'm moving on. I'm gonna be your number one. When your legs don't work.
we at WeGotGuru extend our hands to reach out to all the aspiring singers out there to support and guide you. This provides a structure for the courses and top quality certification process. Do check our school and tutorial channel on YouTube by searching for WeGotGuru. For further enquiries, kindly WhatsApp us at 7829136615 or 97427 56834.